Guys, Double Wide 6, and today I have a little seat that's got a rip in it on a tractor. And I'm going to try this Rust-Oleum leak seal flexible rubber coating. I'm going to spray this on here. It's just a cosmetic thing. It's not really going to fix the problem. It's just going to make it look a little better. So we'll see how this works. I already cut off some of the loose edges. Probably do like 3 or 4 coats like that, and we'll see what we get. I'm sure you could do it with paint, but this will have a little bit of a rubber feel, and it kind of builds up. I fixed a pair of waders for fishing with this stuff. I'll quick show you that. So these are my fishing waders, and they're real nice. I think I paid close to $300 for these things. They're inside out right now. This is a neoprene boot, and then you wear a boot that goes over this with the sole and stuff. But anyhow, they end up leaking at the seams. So I took shoe goo and I put it in the seam, let that dry, and then I sprayed it with this Rust-Oleum leak seal again. And this I did probably about 3 or 4 days ago, and I think it looks really good. And I'm gonna test it out today to make sure it's waterproof. It's opening day. Too cold this morning to go out, so I'm gonna try and go a little later. So, wish me luck. Okay guys, I'm back on this tractor seat, and we'll show you what we got. I went through and I sprayed it with the rubber seal, that Flex Seal stuff, and it looked just like paint. And if I would have painted it black, it would have looked about the same. So I got thinking that I wanted to take the foam and try and coat it a little bit. And just kind of as an experiment, I put a little bit of duct tape on there. And I got this really heavy duct tape here. It's kind of like double thickness. And what I want to do is I want to go over this one more time, because here and here I have 2 spots that have little voids. So I'm putting this tape on here. We'll do there, and we'll do one other, and then we're gonna spray it off again with that rubber sealant. You can see it's holding pretty well. Looks definitely better than it did. And it didn't really take too long. It was easy to do. I'm just sort of playing around, experimenting here. So we'll try and seal that down best we can. And the rubber seal is pretty thick, so you can kind of feather it a little bit. So I'll just spray it on thick here on these wrinkles, and we'll see how that looks. We'll let that dry, and I'll probably hit it like 2-3 more times. A little later in the afternoon, guys, and I put about 3 coats on this thing. You can still see the tape a little bit, but what I wanted to show you is that you can put pressure on this thing and it holds up pretty well. It's pretty flexible. In fact, on the bottle it says it's flexible. So it's not going to crack or anything, and I think that tape really helped out. So, it's not perfect, but it's better than it was, and I'm pretty happy with it. And probably if I spent a little bit more time with it, I could have it even looking better. So I'll put a link in the description to where you can get this leak seal. And the duct tape that I used, it's pretty heavy duty stuff, and I think that helps as well. So thanks for watching, guys. You can let me know what you think of this repair down in the comments. Take care.